This home has a lot of great character, including beautiful woodwork. This home features a nice eat-in kitchen with built-in oven/range. Right off of the kitchen is a very enjoyable sunroom with washer and dryer hookups. The formal dining area is a wonderful size and right off the kitchen and sunroom. The living room features a fireplace that is only used for decoration and has plenty of natural sunlight. All the bedrooms nice size with lots of storage. The main bathroom is a dream bathroom with gorgeous flooring and an old antique sink. The basement is partially finished with a walkout. It features a handicap ramp under the carport. The huge 2-car detached garage has concrete floors, electric and a 1-car automatic opener. This home was well taken care of and sits on a